We've used Rally Innovations aluminum splitters on several different S550 projects here at CJ's. Well, now they're available for your S197, so you're going to install their front splitter on this 2011 Mustang GT. This Rally Innovations custom 3-piece splitter is going to fit your 2010 through 2012 GT or V6. It will not fit the Boss or the GT500. We do have another version available that will fit your 2013 through 2014. Comes in a 3-piece design made of 11-gauge aluminum with a matte black finish. A lot of nice custom touch to the front of your 2010 through 2012 Mustang. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 1/4-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch socket, 7mm socket, 3/16 Allen key, 1/2-inch wrench, marker, drill, and a 3/8 drill bit. All right, to begin the installation, get the car off the ground. We'll start by removing these 4 screws right here. All right, now grab the centerpiece and 2 of the supplied screws. We're going to hold this up, mark 4 holes, 2 on this side and 2 on the other. Now we're going to pull this off so we can drill out those holes with this mark. Okay, now we're going to drill these out to 3/8 of an inch. I'm using a uni bit, but you can use a pilot bit if you want for a smaller hole to start with. All right, we're gonna remove these 3 rear screws. Now remove both these end screws. We're gonna temporarily remove the splash panel. And using the innermost holes that we drilled out, we're gonna put this up into place. Don't tighten them all the way for now, just get them snugged up. Okay, now the other hole we drilled up front here. Take the front hole in this. Again, put a nut and washer on it. Make sure you have this nice and loose so you still have movement. Now line this up with the edge over here. And mark the holes to drill. Since this is loose, just slide it forward and then drill out the 2 holes. Okay, now bring this back over the holes we just drilled. And tighten both these down. And repeat the process on the other side. All right, go back in the middle now and tighten up these 2 on both sides. Oh, these last 4 holes, you're gonna use the supplied screws and go into the factory belly pan. we're gonna reinstall the factory screws. And your installation's finished. The Raleigh Innovations 3-piece splitter adds a nice custom touch to the front of this 2011 Mustang. The metal construction is very, very high quality. If you look, it really follows the lines well. It looks almost factory. The installation's pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour to an hour and a half and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.